Krosaki Harima supports a sustainable society by using the technology we have cultivated for over 100 years. By providing environmentally friendly products, we protect the future of both humans and the earth. Through the development of unburnt refractories that don't require firing at high temperatures and monolithic refractories that can be completed simply by mixing raw materials, we are reducing the CO2 emissions of our manufacturing process. In addition, we've also thought about their disposal and provide environmentally friendly refractories. Krosaki Harima's technology is not just limited to manufacturing refractories. We design and construct industrial furnaces with energy-saving functions, which contributes to energy conservation in steelworks. We also supply refractories to biomass power generation plants and thermal insulation materials for residential fuel cells ENE-FARM, allowing us to contribute to the conservation of the global environment and the creation of comfortable cities. On top of that, we reuse waste materials from manufacturing and soil left over from construction as the raw materials for our landscape bricks, another way we contribute to the formation of a recycling-oriented society.